What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today I'm filming a mushroom girl makeup tutorial. I already made a mushroom hat a few months ago. I think it was like in the spring. I believe it was like months ago, you guys. I did film a TikTok for it, which I never finished and posted, so I guess I'll go ahead and finish that and post it so that way I can go along with this video. I don't know if I will post it along with the video here on YouTube, just so we all guys can see it as well. That way you guys can hop on TikTok and see it. Haven't completely decided yet, but I figured like since I'm filming this makeup tutorial, I'll probably just film some footage for that, like the finished product for that video, for that TikTok anyway, so yeah. So I'm gonna jump right in. I already did my primer, my foundation, and concealer and eye primer as well, so I'm already set to go with my base foundation, my face makeup, and powder of course, I forgot about that. And I'm gonna take some inspiration. I always see a bunch of mushroom girl makeup looks, like they have like the blush and the white spots on their cheeks. My friend Lupita McCartney, I'll tag her Instagram and I'll have a picture of her right here. She actually did a mushroom girl look a while back and I really liked it with like, cause she mentioned it before she even did it that she was gonna put like moss on her face. So I'm gonna be doing that. I got some moss here. I think that would add like a really cute touch to the look. Maybe I'll even put some in my hair. I haven't totally decided yet, but yeah. It's gonna be fun. I like crafting. I mean, I enjoyed crafting the little mushroom head that I have. I have it actually hanging in my bedroom wall. I don't really have anywhere else to put it, so I just hung it on the wall, so like whatever. It's so huge, you guys. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so let's dive into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with the eyes. I'm gonna be using the ColourPop Sailor Moon eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this palette in a while, and I saw it right now, so like, oh, I might as well use it, because I kind of want to go for like a neutral eye look. First, I'm gonna be diving into the shade Shining Moon. This one's a really light base with some shimmer in it. I think it'll be perfect to add as a base to start off with as our first transition shade. I'm applying this one all over my eyelid. I'm blending it out. I might even like wing it out a little bit. Kind of like do like the makeup I was doing for a while in the spring. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be adding the shade Moon Castle to start darkening up my crease. I'm going to be blending it. I'm also going to be blending it into the previous shade that I had just applied. The same two shades I had just used on my upper eye. I'm actually adding it down below underneath my eye. I'm gonna be starting off with Shining Moon first and Moon Castle and blending them. I'll probably add Moon Castle more closer to my lash line, but I'll be blending out Shining Moon just a little bit more than the other darker shade. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Silver Millennium onto the negative space on my eyelid right here, right in the center. I'm going to be applying it with my finger. Okay, next I'm diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam 2 palette. And I'm diving into the shade Mulberry. I'm actually going to be using this as an eyeliner, basically. I'm going to be drawing out a wing. I'm using a small angled brush. This is the number 15 brush from Anastasia. So yeah, I kind of want to make the wing a little bit long and really thin. Okay, next I'm going to be adding some white eyeliner onto my waterlines. I'm going to go ahead and add the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Bag Mascara onto my lashes, but I'm doing that off camera. Okay, next I'm going to contour my face using the Lintic Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to be diving into the cool shades of the palette to contour my face. I'm not going to do anything too heavy, but I just still want to contour my face a little bit. Okay, next I'm diving into Tokidoki Till Death Do Us Part eyeshadow palette. This one that came out a long time ago, guys, so this is definitely not available anymore, but I'm using the blush in here. It's a nice shimmery blush. You can find some like really nice shimmery blushes on like ColourPop and a bunch of like other. I'm going to be adding this like all over my face pretty much, like over my nose bridge, on my cheeks, probably, maybe up my cheekbones a little bit. I haven't totally decided yet, but I just want to get like all over this area. Okay, so I decided I needed a little bit more pigment towards the center of my face. So I'm actually going to be adding some red eyeshadow on my nose, probably blending out towards my cheeks as well. I'm going to be using the Handbook for the Recently Deceased eyeshadow palettes, and we're going to be diving into the shade Lydia, which is red. It's like almost like a shimmery red. It's not too shimmery, it has a little bit of glitter in it, but it's a nice red for this look. Okay, next I'm doing my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Powder in Granite. I'm doing my brows pretty much how I normally do them, thin, angled, not too angled because I don't want to look too scary. Okay, next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Electric Cake Liner in Opaque White. So I'm basically diving into this white water activated liner, and I'm basically adding white little freckles. Some of them are bigger than others, smaller. So yeah. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be adding some moss to my face. I have some, I can't remember what this one's called. I got these at Dollar Tree. You could probably find these at like any like home improvement stores as well, like Lowe's, Home Depot. I think they sell moss. But these are at Dollar Tree. And these ones, this one actually comes with like little dried mushrooms. I can't remember what these mushrooms are called, but they're really cute. And I was kind of thinking of adding some to my look. I haven't 100% decided, but I might add some to like my face. I thought that'd be kind of cute. I don't know. I haven't 100% decided, but yeah, we're gonna be adding some moss to my face. Probably like around the edges of my, like right here, I think. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be adding any more. I might add some to my neck maybe later once I get dressed. I haven't 100% decided, and I might add some moss to my hair. Might do that. I might braid it into my hair somehow, but we'll figure it out. I forgot to mention, but I will be using a lash glue to glue these on. Of course, you can use probably Spirit Gum might work, liquid latex too, but if you have lash glue in hand, of course, that's probably the easiest, the cheapest thing to use. Okay, so next I'm doing my lips. I'm going to be using these Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. I'm going to be lining my lips using Hudson, and I'm going to be filling it in using the shade Naked. Okay, next I'm applying some lashes, and I'm going to be applying the Mimi Artistry lashes in the style Weirdo. I think these are perfect big lashes for these look. I do have a discount code for this shop. I believe it's Denise5. I can't remember exactly, but it is down in my description box if you want to see along all my other discount codes for other shops that I support. I haven't worn these lashes in a while, so I'm really excited to be wearing these for this look. I'll be applying these off camera. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and change into my costume, probably fix up my hair, and probably add some more. I'm thinking of adding these little mushrooms kind of like on my neck too. I thought that would be kind of cute. And some moss probably around here, and probably try to incorporate moss into my hair. I haven't 100% decided that. Or I haven't like decided how I'm gonna try to do that, but we'll figure it out. So I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had a ton of fun creating this mushroom girl. Of course, I grabbed inspiration from my friend Lupita. Thank you for the inspo for the moss around the eyes, and all the girls on TikTok that, you know, do a bunch of really cool, badass mushroom girl makeup. This feels very cottagecore, kinda. More goblin core than anything, actually, for score. I feel like my outfit gives off a really Hobbit vibe, and I love it so much. I think I thrifted this dress from Goodwill. I can't remember the brand, but I believe it's vintage. And this dress, I got it from Forever 21. It's a basic cotton dress. It's really cute though. It goes with like along with like what's really cute cottagecore looking outfits. So yeah, so I basically made this hat during a sleepover that I had with Lupita, and these are like a lot of fun to make, you guys. Like, we basically used a bunch of like scrap cardboard. Sorry, we used like a bunch of scrap cardboard. And I had a bunch of like fabric laying around, so we used all that, and of course a bunch of hot glue. But I really like it. I put a bunch of time and work into this. Like, it took us like pretty much like all day to finish. I've been wanting to do a mushroom makeup tutorial since I made this hat. I just haven't really found the time or motivation for it until like recently. I felt like it would be great for Halloween because everyone's like on this like cottagecore, forestcore kick. So I thought it would be perfect to finally do it and upload it for Halloween. If you guys do recreate this for Halloween and dress up as a mushroom girl, please tag me in your Instagram looks, Facebook, Twitter. I'll have all my social medias linked down below in the description box, but make sure you guys tag me because I would totally love to see y'all's looks and y'all's recreations of this makeup tutorial. Also, I added some blush to the ears because I think it looked really cute, and that's like a really nice touch. And on this one, it has like a little bee earring on it. I love it. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you turn on that notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I do post, especially you guys want to be notified for this month, you guys, because I have a bunch of videos going up, or that have gone up already, so make sure you guys stay on the lookout for that, and also check out my previous Halloween videos from this year and the previous years as well. Also, a lot of my watchers actually are not subscribed to me, so you guys make sure you do hit the subscribe button so that way you guys can stay up to date with all my new content. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. So I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!